But let's now talk about the gains. What does this really mean now for India and China? And it's all about the economy after all, isn't it? So let's first talk about India's EV sector and the benefits it could have from these improved ties with China. We could access cheaper batteries, advanced EV technology from China, and this would help accelerate domestic EV adoption and also reducing the costs for consumers. So that's a big benefit for India. Now for China, India's EV market offers room for Chinese companies to grow because remember, they too are very concerned about the economy. They'll get a vast new market as India will scale up its green mobility push. There could be joint ventures. Local manufacturing could also deepen economic linkages. China's economy stands to benefit from greater access to India's markets. This, of course, is something that one has spoken of in the past about how there is, it's very skewed in favor of China. The trade, opening India's consumer market will offer relief to China's slowing economy and will provide new demand for Chinese goods, services and investment. So that is what China could gain. China, remember, has assured India it will address the need for rare earth minerals, and that is something that India is looking forward to. India's clean energy, electronics industries depend on rare earths, and China's assurances eases those supply concerns and to support India's ambition, tech ambition there. Now, both sides have also agreed to reopen border trade. Resuming cross-border trade revives local economies in Himalayan regions. It also signals a thaw in ties after years of strained relations. And of course, the Prime Minister, in his opening remarks before the bilateral, announced the direct flights from India to China set to resume. And this restored air connectivity will help boost tourism, business travel, as well as people-to-people ties. It aids smoother supply chains also between the two Asian giants. So these are some of the early gains that one can expect from this improvement in relationships between India and China.